Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ExitLag for Roblox on your smartphone. Let's get started. To begin, you need to get the app on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom, type in ExitLag, and look for the official app published by ExitLag. Tap Get to download and install it on your device. The process is the same for Android users. Simply open the Google Play Store, search for ExitLag, and install the official app. Once the installation is complete, open the ExitLag app. The first time you launch it, you'll need to create an account. Tap the option to sign up. You'll typically need to provide an email address and create a password. If you already have an ExitLag subscription from using it on a computer, you can use those same credentials to log in directly. After you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. The key feature here is the search bar. Tap on it and type in Roblox. As you type, the app will suggest games. Select Roblox from the list that appears. ExitLag will then begin scanning and analyzing the available connection routes from your location to the Roblox game servers. In a few moments, you'll see a list of potential servers or connection paths, often labeled by location or route name. Each one will display a ping value in milliseconds, ms. Your goal is to choose the option with the lowest ping number, as this indicates the fastest connection. Sometimes you may want to test a couple of different routes to see which feels most stable. Once you've selected your preferred low-ping route, simply tap the Start or Apply button. You'll see a confirmation that the optimization is now active. Now, minimize the ExitLag app. Don't close it completely. Just switch out of it. Open Roblox on your phone as you normally would. Log in and join your game. Your connection is now being routed through ExitLag's optimized network. You should notice an improvement, with less rubber banding and more consistent gameplay. You can verify this by checking the in-game performance stats if Roblox provides them. While connection optimizers like ExitLag focus on improving speed and latency for specific applications, securing your overall online activity is just as important, especially when gaming on public Wi-Fi. For full device security and privacy that protects all your internet traffic, using a dedicated VPN is a smart choice. For a reliable and secure VPN, check out NordVPN via the link in the description below.